For this DIY, I am using old plastic bangle with broad width. Instead of this, you can use normal bangles by pasting 3 to 4 bangles together. Roll wool around this bangle. This is how it looks. Roll it as tight as you can. We need 4 such bangles. Take 3 of the bangles and tie them together as shown in the video. Instead of tying together, you can stick them using hot glue gun. This is how it looks. Now take the 4th bangle and tie it horizontally using 2 threads. Check the balance after you tie it. Take a cardboard as per bangle diameter. Cut it. Cover it with yellow chart paper. Stick this chart paper in the bangle to its center. Check the balance of the 4th bangle and make a knot on top of it. Let's tie this to the top bangle. This is how it looks. Let's make birds. To make birds, I am using Fevicryl molded clay. You can use any air dry clay if you want. I made 2 birds with 1 packet of Fevicryl molded. I am making small birds with this clay. I have used plastic sheets to make wings and its tail. After making it, let it dry. Once it's dry, I painted it using white acrylic color as base coat and then red acrylic color for its wings, tails and top part of the body. I made 4 birds, 2 red and green. You can use any colors you want. Let's stick the birds in the center of bangles using hot glue gun. That's it, our hanging is done. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.